My lifestyle has changed immensely. I am a single mother of 3. My children are now all grown up. Just recently, my daughter left a year ago. Up until then, life hadn't really worked out the way I wanted it to, or the way I'd planned it to. But within just over 2 short years, I am sitting at 6 figures a year and climbing. I hit 5 figures a month after, I think it was just over a year. My lifestyle has changed tremendously. I have more money at the end of the month, which is very nice. And I now enjoy a lifestyle as a diamond that I've never had before. Travel. I get to come to Ruby retreats like I'm here, meet with others. I get paid to do this. I can't believe that I get paid to do this. It's so much fun and paid very well. So I couldn't be happier. My life has changed on every level.